beautiful beach is spreading out before your eyes. Enjoy the masterpiece of nature and feel its energy. Now you are taking deep breaths while watching the beautiful scenery of the sea. Now close your eyes and continue to breathe slow. You are at the peaceful place. Here, the beautiful and peaceful sea spreads out before your mind's eye. Now, you are walking on the beautiful, tropical, sandy beach. As you are walking, you hear the sound of waves. As you hear the ocean waves lullabying you, you move deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation. Now you stop walking. You are standing on the fine, warm, and soft sandy beach. You feel the warm, soft sand between your toes. You feel your toes sinking into the warm, soft sand as you become more and more relaxed. You are looking at the beautiful and peaceful sea while breathing gently and deep. Now you are feeling the sea breeze while looking at it. Your forehead is very cool, and all negative thoughts fade away. Now you feel your mind being very clear. Now you are smelling the salty sea air. When you breathe in, you feel the cool, salty air coming through your nose and filling your lungs. When you breathe out, you feel all the negative energies within your body releasing through your nose. Feel your body filled with the energy of the sea. When you open your eyes, you know that you can do everything well. You can do everything confidently. Take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.